Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Manscaped. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Cancel Manscaped or skip deliveries. Your option explained here. If you aren't sure you want to cancel Manscaped for good, but you don't need your next delivery or you can't afford it this month, there is option to select new shipment dates or adjust your plan using 1 month increments. Now, my peak hygiene plan adjustments. Sign in to your self-service member portal. Second, select My Peak Hygiene Plan. Then click Manage Plan. And last, use the pencil icon. Change the frequency of your current settings. Note, you can choose a frequency of 1 month, 2 months, all the way to 11 months for every your next delivery. Or sign in to your self-service member portal again. And second, select My Peak Hygiene Plan, then click Manage Plan. Then lastly, use the pencil icon next to your shipping date. Click Ship Tomorrow to get our delivery sooner. Note, you can use the same process to modify any add-ons or other peak products too. Then, other replenishment plan adjustments. First, sign in to your self-service member portal, then select the other plans you want to change. Click the pencil icon to change the shipping on your next order or change the regular frequency of your deliveries. Choose 1 month increment up to 11 months. Now, how to cancel Manscaped subscription online. If you are done with your service for good, your only way to cancel Manscaped subscription plans, according to their website, is to go through your account and the sales service portal. Don't worry, through it isn't the only way. First, sign into your self-service member portal. Second, select the plan you want to cancel. Third, click Manage Plan. Lastly, navigate your way to the cancellation button. How to cancel Manscaped via email. Alternatively, you can avoid the hassle of finding the right editing function with the self-service member portal and just send an email to customer support at support@manscaped.com asking them to cancel for you. Now, the third method, Manscaped cancel subscription indirectly using your payment methods. If you can't seem to get a response or find your way to the portal, you can always learn how to cancel Manscaped subscription using the other end of the transaction, your bank or online account. When you set up your subscription, you can use all major credit and debit cards, PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, Klarna. So when you want to cancel Manscaped subscription plans, you can cut it off directly at your financial service. That's all to cancel the subscription of Manscaped. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.